Hi everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I got friend mail from my friend B that lives in this local Philly metro area. And I can't believe she sent me something. Thank you, B. You did not have to send me anything. I know she does watch my channel though, so I told her, I said, I'm going to do an unboxing. I haven't looked yet. I just opened it up because our addresses are on there. She is, I don't want to say, well, she loves cats. Is she a cat lady? Maybe. But her and Bella, my little kitty Bella, just loves her and comes right up to her. Aw. How cute is that? Let me just pull that off here so I can get it out there. How cute, from your Valentine. She's holding a kitty cat. I wish I put a tag in there. There's a tag. I want to show you what it looks like inside. So I just took the tag out. And look at that. It's a vellum pocket that holds the tag. That is such a smart idea. And B is very, very crafty. You may recall, she gave me a goodie bag back before Christmas that had lots of fun. She made the bag and the tag and included lots of fun goodies in there. So that's the card. And happy Valentine's Day. Oh, she put washi on it. There we go. Okay. Oh, I see some very cute vintage. Oh my goodness, it's a pocket letter. I wasn't expecting a pocket letter from her. I love that bag. Oh, and there's kitty cats on it. Okay. Let me go this way. Oh, okay, I lost the shaker kitty. Look how cute that is. Aw, precious. And she did the same thing. I saw someone else do that. They put the image in and then they fused around it. So it is actually in the shape of a cat. Very clever. And a paper clip with a heart envelope on it. Okay, let's see. I think the kitty was up here. I love to see how these are put together. This is vellum on cardstock. So I think this is their traditional pocket letter, right, size. This would be then an ATC card size. I could be totally wrong on that, but I think that's how it goes. And then she put that on a sticker. Oh, okay, I see. Let me flip it over real quick. Oh, and there's a little envelope in the back. With a coffee cup paper clip. And I love this envelope. I don't know if you made it or if you purchased it, but it is so cute. Like a wild kitty cat. You know, I think I'm going to move this box out of the way so I can really enjoy this. There we go. And then that way I can put the kitty cat back where he belongs. There. And I saw some little pieces back here. Some little cut aparts. She has that up on a foam adhesive riser. And then this is a shaker with a mason jar. How cute is that? That is really super cute. Yeah. And then this is, oh, I see. Okay, so look at this. This pulls out and there's washi tape on it. So neat on a tag. I'll have to remember that idea too. I love how all these little, you know, ideas with the washi tape, and I'm definitely going to borrow that idea. And then there is back here. Oh my goodness. A lot of die cutouts. Oh, and they're silver, and they're very glittery. And they were tucked in right in there. Oh, that's precious. Love it. Let me go ahead and just pull this out so I can look at it, and then put it back. So how cute. Everything is just a pocket fold, and everything was tucked away in there in the bag. Oh, love it, love it, love it. I think I got everything. Okay, I'll move that off to the side. Let me pull the box back up without exposing our addresses. How cute. I see some cat food in there, some cat treats. Thank you for thinking of the kitty cats. I can't remember if Bee has one or two. I know for sure she has one, but she may have two. And I think the one does sit with her in her craft room, which is cute. Oh, I see catnip too. Some of the perfect portions. I'll have to let you know if the kitties like them. I don't think they've ever had Sheba. I'm sure they'll like it though, the tender white fish and tuna. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Some catnippers, and they will love that. I'll have to put that up or they'll tear it. I'm surprised they didn't try to get into the box. Oh, some Cosequin. So I have, my fluff cat is 14, and he has some really bad arthritis that when he gets up and flips over, it looks like it's very painful. And she had said about this joint health supplement. So we'll have to see if we can get that down his neck. And his food. He eats wet food, but it's just mostly the liquid. So I'll have to see how I can work that into his daily diet. And the summer, you know, spring's coming up. And of course, Temptations, the creamy dairy, which is a fan favorite of all three of the cats. They will love this flavor. Well, they do love that flavor. Temptations and Party, I think the other one's Party Mix. They are fans of. Let me put that catnip back in here, because if anybody has cats, they know that your cat will tear that up trying to get into it. Some candies. Oh, I'm just looking. There's Jeweled Valentine Mix for Jelly Belly. That's cute. How cute is that? Jewel Valentine Mix, sparkling jelly beans. And it's in sparkling bubblegum, sparkling cream soda, and sparkling very cherry. Oh, precious. Some gummy bears. And there's a peppermint stick, which I personally love. And a lifesaver. Very nice. Not done yet. There's so much more in here. I really was not expecting anything, and it's really surprised me when the box came in the mail. I'm like, what did she do? A beautiful bag with a beautiful paper clip That is gorgeous. That's going in my own personal stash. And all kinds of goodies. Oh, some doilies. Oh my goodness. We gotta check that out. But I see a kitty cat right now in this. Look at that. Oh, they're little cards. Oh, how cute. That's cute. Oh, I love it. With little envelopes to put my little cards in. Oh, and they have the, they match. Oh, I'm going to have to use those, definitely. So cute. Teeny tiny little, probably what, 2x2 or 3x3. And then this, really, I don't know if it was the glitter or the vintage floral look that caught my eye. Those are, oh, pretty. That looks like it's really stitched on there, but I don't, it's not. It's a piece of paper. A tag. Oh, that pops out. It's just held in by the corners. Very pretty. Oh, how cute. And some vellum. So she's been very crafty because I recognize that vellum, and that is definitely put through the scissors. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. I'll set that aside. I'm gonna put everything back in its little baggies. Some doilies. Oh, a kitty cat, and it's a book. Oh, it's a magnet. Oh, there's one of those little magnets. I need to get me some of those. And it's a little paper book. That is so neat. And it stays shut. Bee, you're so crafty and talented. That is so cute. I'm glad to see you've been working your craft room. That's always good. You know, it kind of gets you, hopefully, your mind off of your worries, and you just have a lot of, you know, fun crafting. Crystal clear, pale stick, and organized, durable. Not sure what these are. Some kind of pockets, adhesive square label pockets. I'll have to look into that further. I wonder if you can see, like make shakers out of them. I'm gonna guess that's it, but I'm not positive. Looky there. Oh, I saw someone haul one of these, and it's the Botanical Collage Kit by Art C. I love that tag, and that's wonderful. I picked up something very similar to this at Tuesday morning, not in this area, when I was out a couple weeks ago, and I never saw these at my local one. I love it, love it, love it. Some gel clips. Oh, those are blingy. 5 count. And oh, shakers. Of course, my eye goes right to the kitty cat. And some cacti. Happy Love Day. Oh, that's sweet. Hopefully I'm not getting too much glare. And last but not least, some fusibles. Now, oh, she even put a little heart on there. I got a fuse oboe fuse tool. I'm trying to see if I can see it. Usually it sits behind me. For Christmas from my sister. And I've been having a lot of fun making shaker. So this is plastic paper pack. Oh, let me open this up. I want to see what this is about. Because I'm not sure. I see the opening there. I think these are actually plastic. Which, how cool is that? In case you're ever in the neighborhood and you're like, what are those? Oh, they are. It's like, can you hear that? It's a plastic sheet. Okay, I'm going to have to read up how to make something with these. Do you use it for backing or... There's all different kinds of designs. All kinds. Nothing repeats. And they're what, probably 6 by 6. And I'm just going to have to read up on how to use them. It just says fusible plastic paper pack. So that is great. Gosh, you spoil me. You spoil me. So I got a beautiful pocket letter. And all kinds of goodies. So thank you again, Bee. I don't know what is my favorite because there's so many. And the kitties will love you forever because you brought them snappers. So thank you again. I'll let you know how this goes. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. And I'll let you know how they like their Sheba food. And of course, I know they'll love those. That's a given. So, all right. Thanks for hanging with me. Thank you again and have a great day. Bye.